Welcome to our comparison of eSIM providers Sparks and Telstra for Australian users. If you're new to eSIMs, this video is for you. eSIMs allow you to connect to mobile networks without a physical SIM card. It's a game changer for travelers, remote workers, or anyone who frequently changes devices. Today, we're comparing Sparks and Telstra, two of the most popular options in Australia. Sparks offers affordable plans and decent international roaming options, while Telstra is known for its extensive network coverage and reliable service within Australia. But what if you need unlimited data for travel or work? yesim has you covered with their unlimited data packages that you can activate easily. Check out yesim's packages using this link. With yesim, you get flexibility and no worries about running out of data. In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both Sparks and Telstra to help you choose the best one for your needs. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful.